you're doing a conventional loan, that's going to be a lower interest rate over a term of 30 years. That's something that you have to take in consideration versus a 3 to 6 month term.
Yeah. When I talk to people, I find it somewhat confusing to understand why people look at a hard money loan and think interest rates are too high, but
I think they compare
look
it
at
to the conventional, and that's why I always bring that
yeah,
up.
yeah, yeah, that's what it is. They're looking at it as a okay, if I got a 30-year mortgage on it, I'd pay this much, and it's usually half of what
Yeah.
a hard money lender loan would charge, and it's hard to understand that it's a different tool completely, and
Yeah.
and and even with a low interest rate loan, when you look at what you actually pay for
Yeah.
that loan in 30 years, you're
Yeah.
paying double, sometimes triple,
Double.
that
Exactly. Yeah.
right?
Like you could have a
So
$250,000 house loan and then you're paying 400, 500,000 on just like the amount of money that you're spending over the time. So we don't charge any interest on funds not used. So if you're not using that rehab, you're not paying interest on it. You want to save yourself money on interest, go ahead, just don't pull from the rehab. But at the end of the
yes.
day, it's just a tool that we have to make sure that you guys make money at the end of the day. With a conventional loan, you're not going to be making any money until you sell it. So after that 30 years
Yeah,
or whatever that case may be.
I find it that it's easier to just say, "Hey, what are your credit cards?" And they're like,
Yeah.
"What? What do you mean?"
Oh,
Because
yeah.
it's easy to get a 24, 25%, 30%
Yeah.
credit card
Yeah.
and
That
and
is
and,
true.
and to go to the store and just, start
Yeah.
charging it and
I
and then
definitely
pay
didn't think
interest on
about that.
that.
Yeah,
But
because my Amazon, I think, is 22%, 23%.
mhm,
But I use Amazon all the time. I know I'm going to pay it off. So I'm just like,
yeah.
it's
And
not
people
something that
use
you really
credit all
think
the
of.
time like it's nothing,
Yeah,
right?
it's like free
And
money
then when
to
you
them.
come
Yeah.
across a funding partner to help you buy this next investment transaction,
Yeah.
then the first rebuttal is always it's too expensive rather
Yeah.
than, okay, I can use this as a tool and
I'm gonna
really
definitely
push
add
forward
that
to the
to my
next step.
books. That's a very good comparison. Look at that. You're teaching me something.